Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Wait 2 minutes, okay? I'm just sharing the screen.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning, students.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Or you have all prepared? Start up with your conversation about discussing about the okay. So now first here, are you all able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll start with today with the discussion will be like of recipe sharing, okay, as I told you already. So we'll go with that, okay. Then we'll continue with your like other things, okay, like as I've started with my screen sharing with the synonyms and antonyms, okay. So we'll go with that, all the things I'll be teaching you. First you have to start with your yes, Shikha. Who else has come only, or how many participants overall are there? Only 6. Shambhavi, please. Shambhavi, come up with your video. Today only 6 participants have come over here. We'll start up with. Meanwhile, others will be coming, so we'll start up with others also. I'm able to see only 3 students here: Divyansh, Chirayu, and Shikha. Siksha, sorry. Others? Yes. Who will start here? Siksha, will you start here? Start telling
No,
your
ma'am.
recipe. Meanwhile, others will come. So, what did I say about which recipe you're going to say? Anything decided? Anything decided here, try? Siksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which recipe you want to say? Discuss. Yesterday I told that no cappuccinos and like others. Start.
Ma'am, which recipe?
Anything like whatever you want. Whatever you want. Shambhavi, there is no video of yours. Oshin, there is no video. Divya Gupta or what? Please come up with your videos. Yes, yes, Siksha. Start coming up with. Where is Siksha? Siksha has gone.
She left.
She has left.
Yes, ma'am.
So who will share here?
Me?
Huh? Who will start speaking? We have here engaged to go with the spoken classes, na? Listening classes or spoken classes? Huh?
In class.
Spoken means you are supposed to speak. Yes or no? So when a chance
Yes,
is being
ma'am.
given to you, narrate or something like that, describe the recipes, then you need to come up with your things. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So come up with your views. No, like I'm not here going to kill you. Am I going to? If it is
No,
wrong,
ma'am.
I'll tell that it is wrong. If it is right, I tell that okay, better you're going good. Yes or no? But you will be coming to know about. You're in the
Yes, ma'am.
learning stage and you're coming to know about that. Okay. So yes, whosoever the members are there, will go with that only. Okay. Himani, are you ready with your recipe?
No,
Anything
ma'am.
like
Just second.
any recipe you can say. Are you ready with your?
No, ma'am. Just a second.
Yes.
Ma'am, just a second.
Just a second. Okay, I'll take. Oshin, are you ready?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Chirayu, yesterday also you only told.
May
I'm
I
not
start?
like discouraging you, but the thing is that I'm giving you chance to others also. Okay, I'll come to you. Okay, I'll come to you. Okay,
Yes,
Oshi,
ma'am.
what is your recipe?
French fries.
Pardon?
French.
French fries.
French fries. It's very easy, है ना? अरे, people are very clever, clever than teacher. French fries. Okay, discuss. Start. How was French fries
Take only
made?
big
Start
size
up with the
potatoes.
ingredients.
Cut the potato.
Yes.
First of all, we need big size potatoes.
Hmm.
Then,
How many potatoes?
then we need salt, chili.
Okay.
It's all upon the person how many people will
Okay.
eat.
So French fries is something like that you eat continuously like popcorn. There is no stopping of the hand. You keep on taking, even if you have. Okay, as such. Okay, fine. Start. Okay. Then how many potatoes in number? 4 or 5?
Yes, 4 or 5.
4 or 5 big potatoes. Okay. What we have to do that with that potatoes?
Then cut those potatoes.
Without peeling.
No. First we have to peel, cut them, and soak the potatoes. Then let it drain and dry. Then fry potatoes, drain and cool. Half done potatoes, fry till it's golden. Drain the fries. If you want, add some.
Oshin, you're reading. Okay. You're reading? You've written the
Yes, ma'am.
entire
Yes.
recipe in front of
Yes.
you. Very nice, and very good students, and we need to say that obedient, sincere students. Writing the recipe in front of you and simply started by looking at that, you are reading it. Did I say to read that recipe? How are you going to say that? Shall I give you the like a clue how a recipe is discussed? You should know about it. It's also a general thing, might be. Okay. For potato French fries, you need 4 large big potatoes. Okay. Oil for deep frying. Okay, and salt and salt and pepper and red chili powder. Yes or no? So you need these.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, then afterwards, okay, cut the potatoes in a vertical, okay, into thin vertical slices. Okay, so that it would be like a sticks. Give it a shape to a sticks, and then put a cauldron. Cauldron means kadai, hai na? Put a cauldron.
Yes,
Okay, put
ma'am.
sufficient oil for getting it deep fried. Then add all the potato sticks which you have cut into. Okay, and deep fry it. When it gets into roasted, okay, golden brown, then remove it. okay, with a sieve, okay, or somewhat like that, with a good ladle, okay, and then put it in a butter paper so that extra oil will be removed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Remove the extra oil also. Then add the salt, okay, pepper powder and chili powder. Mix it well, stir it well, and your hot French fries are ready.
वीडियो चल रहा है ना देख
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the way like of discussing something like that. Okay. So now I have given here a chance. Yes. Can you start again, Oshin? No reading here. Look at me and say. Explaining is very easy.
First of all, we should take 4 or 5 big size potatoes,
Very good.
then cut them in a vertical order like sticks.
Okay.
Then we should put cauldron on our gas stove or something which we can cook on it. Then put oil, sufficient oil, so that we can fry them or
You can deep fry them.
use them, deep fry them. Then we have to take them out and put in a butter paper or something so that it can
Extra oil
soak
can be soaked.
more or excessive oil. Then if we want, we can add salt,
Salt is to
chili,
be added.
or
Without
some
salt adding, how can we eat potato fries?
salt, chili, or some lemon drops.
Okay, lemon drops. Okay,
Then
fine.
serve them.
Okay, fine. Then Himani, are you ready with your recipe? I've given the 2 minutes are over. Any other recipe? Oshin, okay, claps for Oshin. Okay, good. And then tomorrow I'll give another role play that you're going to start with. You're going you're going to start with role playings. Like tomorrow onwards, we'll go with like you're going to a shopping complex and purchasing your dresses. One is customer and you are customer, okay, and the other person is a shopkeeper, and you're going to ask about different dresses, different trendy dresses, somewhat like that. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
so go with that. Okay. Okay, now come up with the Preksha. Acha, Himani is still
Yes,
preparing.
ma'am.
Preksha, Shiksha, like your chance is over. What do you say that you quit the video when I asked to tell something about recipe? Eh?
No, ma'am.
Okay, don't get afraid, beta. We are all discussing. Okay, we are learning here. Okay, if anything goes, correct. Okay, Himani, are you ready with any of the recipe? Go with bag and barka.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't know how to
Make. You don't know how to make.
make it.
Then what do you know? You know how to make tea. Yesterday you told tea, but I didn't like that tea.
Ma'am, may I tell one?
What?
Preksha is telling something. Okay, Preksha, yes. Start.
Veg dum biryani.
Veg dum biryani. Okay, but I want that all of them you're coming up with the ingredients. First, start. Any of the recipe should be started with the ingredients. You must
Okay. Ingredients required: water, 3 cups,
reading.
spices.
That's very nice. Reading. Remember with
Bay leaf, cinnamon,
cinnamon. What do you say? What is
Star.
cinnamon? Acha, what is cinnamon? Yesterday we have discussed. What is cinnamon? Cinnamon is dalchini.
Yeah, dalchini.
You should know about. Okay, cinnamon's okay.
Oil, 2 tablespoons. Salt, 2 tablespoons. Basmati rice, 1 to 5 cups. We have to soak the basmati rice for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Then we need ghee, 1
Will you please
tablespoon.
look at me? Okay, will you please look at me and say, remember, okay, how your mother prepares. How your mother prepares. She won't look at the paper and make it.
No. Ginger paste, 2 tablespoons. Garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Fried onions, 3 tablespoons. Saffron water, 6 tablespoons. Paneer, 15 cubes. Chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric, half tablespoon. Biryani masala, 2 tablespoons. Salt, 1 tablespoon. Peas, 1 cup. Potato, 1 cup. Bean, 1 cup.
All vegetables.
Yeah, all
Dice or chop?
vegetables.
Diced or
chopped.
chopped. Okay, fine.
Coriander 2 tablespoon. Mint paste 1 tablespoon.
Okay. Then
Now we will prepare biryani gravy. First we need to put ghee on it. Ghee on a pan.
first you have not grinded the gravy, child. First you need to take. Okay.
First we'll put a pan on a gas stove or anything you need. First
Then
we'll put a pan, then we'll pour 1 tablespoon of oil, then we'll pour that.
Okay, pouring is something like you're pouring for deep frying. Don't pour the
So what we'll call that?
You need just you add 3-4 tablespoons or like whatever you are supposed to add it. If you're using a bit of oil, if you're pouring, it means that you're frying like you're deep frying the food, not like that. Puris or kachori. Okay, fine. Start. Then after the heat gets after the oil gets heat,
then we'll put some cumin seeds on it. We'll put some cumin seeds on it. Then we'll put potato, beans, carrot.
okay,
and
also whatever the peas, you have also forgot peas, carrot, capsicum,
yeah, peas, carrot, capsicum, coriander, mint paste, and we'll just fry it for half minute and till it is sorted well. We'll
okay,
then we'll
Put
put
aside.
then we'll put water on it
Okay.
till heat it for 1 minute. It will get till it gets smooth.
Soft, okay, soft.
Yeah.
Okay, huh.
Yeah,
The
smooth
vegetables
chopped.
get half boiled somewhat, huh?
Yeah, half boiled something. Then we'll put it aside. Then we'll prepare biryani. Now we'll put pressure cooker on a gas stove. Then we'll put some water on it. Then salt
Some
on
water,
it. Then we'll
okay, huh? Like how would 5 cups you have taken of biryani? 5 cups means 10
Eight.
cups of water. 10 cups of water. For 1 cup, 2 cups of water goes on.
Yeah. Then we'll put soaked rice on it. Then we'll put it in a gas flame for 5 to 16 minutes. 5 to 16 minutes. Then till the rice is well prepared, we'll take one more pan on a gas stove. Then we'll put 1 layer of biryani in it till the rice is cooked. Then rice is cooked, we'll take the rice and we'll fry it pan with cumin seeds, cinnamon, cloves, pepper, and star. Cinnamon, cloves, pepper, and star. Till the rice is fried, we'll put a biryani gravy in one pan, 1 layer of biryani gravy. Then rice is fried, then we'll put a 1 layer of biryani on it. And then again
fried
we'll
onions on it again, 1 layer. One layer
fried
paneer
onions.
cube. Then put again the rice and then again 1
Rice
layer
on
of
it
paneer
and-
cubes.
Yes, ma'am. And then we'll put a lid on a pan and we'll close it for 5 to 16 minutes. And your biryani is ready.
Okay. When it starts whistling, okay, it gives a whistle sound that your biryani is cooked. Okay, fine. Divyansh, are you ready with your recipe, better?
Yes, ma'am.
Which recipe you're cooking?
Egg curry.
Egg curry. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, fine. Something else. Okay. Now, how you're making it?
Yes, ma'am. First we have to boil the eggs.
Okay, how many eggs? For how many members?
5 to 6 eggs.
Okay.
Then till that it will boil, we have to make paste for curry.
Okay.
Ginger, garlic, and onion paste we will make it. And then we will put a cauldron and we will put that paste in cauldron.
Without putting oil.
Yes, ma'am. First we will put oil and then we will put the paste.
Okay, we'll fry it.
Then
okay,
we will till that our eggs will be boiled, and then we have to take its chilka, what
Peel. Take the peel of it.
Ma'am, first it will peel.
First, you take
will
the peel
peel
of
that.
it. Okay, huh?
Then we will take some water and we will put that in our cauldron. Then we will sort it well. We will put our eggs in cauldron and we will mix it well. And then we will put the turmeric.
You've not
Salt.
put up like you've not cut the onions, chopped onions and chopped tomatoes doesn't go here. Tomatoes
Yes,
and
ma'am.
tomatoes, and you forgot tomatoes. You forgot the chopped onions to it. That is needed, I suppose. No? For any of the masalas, any of the spice making curry, you need this. That also has to get fried up, and then you need to add the boiled eggs to it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, fine. At least something else. Himani, what are you with? Himani Batra, you're concentrating.
Ma'am,
somewhere.
pancakes.
Pancakes. Okay, fine. Start.
Yes. Ma'am, ingredients we need 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon water, and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of butter.
Good. Preksha,
So
you're
the
going to make it,
steps are-
okay? Himani will be discussing, the Preksha will make that pancake, and when the school gets reopened, na, Preksha will make me eat, okay? Fine. Listen to me.
Ma'am,
Pancake.
steps. Whisk the well ingredients.
What do you mean by whisking?
Well,
You know, whisker comes. It's in the flowery shape, like it's in the.
Yes, ma'am.
Whisk it properly. It's stirring it properly. Okay, whisking. Then.
mix the well ingredients well, and then in a liquid measuring mark, measure 1 cup of milk. To that, add vegetable oil, water, and vanilla essence. Stir the well ingredients properly, and do not overmix it. Lumps should be perfectly fine.
Lumps should not be there.
Set-
Okay, it should be perfect paste.
Set aside for a minute, and then heat a pan on the stove for half of a minute, medium to high heat. Once the pan is okay, then melt, then take butter and spread it on the pan.
Batter, it's not butter.
Then-
It's okay. Butter. Spread it on the pan, and then add this batter, whatever you have, pancake batter.
Spread the pancake batter on the pan, and then what to say? Then heat it until it's to golden brown, until the color changes to golden brown, and then flip the pan carefully and repeat the same thing till the batter finishes, and then
Your pancakes
take
are
out
ready.
the bread.
Okay, and then you serve
and
it with
spread the
honey. Usually pancakes
Yes,
served with honey. Okay. Fine, fine.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Siksha, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with what are you going to say? Yesterday, I think so. Chirayu was supposed to say paneer kofta. After Siksha, he will go. Divya, please unmute yourself. Divya Gupta, unmute
Ma'am, I
yourself.
changed my recipe.
Who? Chirayu.
Mummy. Yes,
Why?
ma'am.
Which one you are going to make?
Rasmalai.
Rasmalai. That's a very nice. Okay, pancake and rasmalai. Okay, fine. Gagan, what are you going to go with? Gagan or Chirayu? Okay, fine. Siksha will come up with this. Tomorrow we'll continue the rest of the recipes. Why? Because we will continue the class also. Now today Siksha will continue. Okay, and Divya, Gagan,
Yes, ma'am.
and others. Okay, tomorrow they will continue come up with their recipes. Yes, Siksha, what is your recipe?
Ma'am, you tell which recipe.
You tell which recipe, what I will tell. You know how to cook all the things. Like make paneer curry only.
Yeah.
It's so
I
difficult.
tried. You said only.
So difficult?
You
It's so difficult? No, not at all. So what do you want to make then? You
I
are
want
you don't know how to
minutes.
break and like okay, cauliflower curry. You know how to make. Paneer paratha, you know how to make. Tell me, Betu. Not simply.
I want 2 minutes for thinking.
You have already so many 2 minutes have given to you. Eh? Okay, tomorrow you come up with this. If not, otherwise I'll beat you like anything. From onward also there will be a beating, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
What? I'll beat you from online. Okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, we'll just stop here the discussion. Okay, tomorrow we'll go with the other recipes whichever are there, and then rest. A day after tomorrow we'll continue with the, as I told, customer and the salesman. Okay, like the shopkeeper. So you're going there and you are discussing about the you want to purchase new things, new fit outs or new whereabouts for you. Okay, whatever has come into the trendy ones. Okay, so you're going to purchase that. So you're asking about discounts. You're asking him to show different varieties. So that we will be discussing. Okay, role plays means it's only all the things will be coming into. Now we'll start with the regular class here. Please look after here the synonym for accuracy.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by accuracy? Accuracy is exactness.
exact.
Exactness. Perfectness, appropriateness. Okay, what exactly the very good words are exactitude. Okay, the works or your project should be in the manner of exactitude. It means that there should not be any mistakes. Okay, otherwise the reports of that institution or that laboratory every time gives the exactitude results or exactitude whatever the experiments it explores. So you have, so accuracy has so many exactness, correctness. Strictness here comes with this not having any errors. Okay, fidelity, nicety, exactitude, and precision. Okay, so these will be, and antonyms are there: looseness, and even another one is incorrectness. Okay, slovenliness, or otherwise you can say with inaccuracy. That also will come. Or people also come up with this bluntness. It does not accurate. If you are not accurate, people come. I'm also giving some other extra words also. So blunt, inaccurate also will come in this antonyms. Have you all taken the screenshot of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you go
Yes,
did you understand how it is being used? So in whenever you are using the word accuracy, you can use other words also for this. So see, another word accredited. Accredited is like you are like coming up with a authorizing something, like our school is accredited with the CBSE, otherwise it's been come under the CBSE norms. Authorized. Why confidential? Confidential means keeping that as a secret and not in official terms, not to be leaked to everyone. Only the trusted person can be only being kept into this confidential. So confidential also comes under this accredited. This institution is accredited to CBSE affiliations. Yes or no? Accredited means authorized, acknowledged. Okay, acknowledged means saying yes or something that you're approving it. It's been approved. Another word can be used here, approved. You can add one another synonym here, approved. Commissioned. Okay, clear? Any doubts in accredited?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Accelerate. Accelerate is increasing. Okay, hasten. T is silent here. Hastening yourself. Urging means actually forcing, but here like urge yourself towards studies. You should have urging toil towards the studies. Okay, expedite your ways of studies so that you can come out of. Okay, this meeting will end in 10 minutes. Upgrade. Why it's not upgrading? If it gets stop now, we'll just again continue with it. Okay, fine. Again you have to log in. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If such is the case,
Yes,
let us
ma'am.
see it. Okay, because I have upgraded, but it is not getting it. So now he is in urge, expediting, quickening, speeding, urge on. Okay, urge on with your studies. It means that please accelerate your studies. Acceleration is not only used for the vehicles, but also speeding yourself. Okay, promoting, dispatching, be quick. Okay, quickening is also comes in that. Okay, facilitating here means making somebody convenient to proceed on with. Press forward. Okay, please press forward your tasks so that the project will be completed on time. Press forward means be quick. This can be used in please press forward yourself with the homework so that you can complete everything on time. Okay, fine. I'm not coming
Yes,
up with the
ma'am.
antonyms here because first we'll go with so many synonyms are there. Okay, so here synonym for abundant. Abundant means
Yes.
plenty. See, so many words are there for abundant. Plentiful, copious. Copious can be used even for huge. Please write in the brackets. I'm also giving the words for huge. Copious can also use for the massiveness and huge. Okay, he's having a copious views. Okay, upon his dreams. Okay, like he's having a huge ways of going on with. Okay, he's having a copious ideas. Abundant also comes with the infinity, like having more. You can use the word myriad. M-Y-R-I-A-D. Myriad.
Myriad.
Myriad is unlimited, like limitless. There is no limitation for it. There are myriad number of participants in the event. So uncountable, like there were so many participants. Okay, you should come up with a myriad like ideas whenever you're discussing something. Large, ample, overflowing. Another word you can use, brimming. B-R-I-M-M-I-N-G. It's not been given you. Brimming. Brimming is also plentiful. Plenteous also can be used, like plenteous, plentiful is one and the same. Copious, large, ample. You have ample time to prepare yourself for the 10th examination. Ample is overflowing. He has all the time brimming with the ideas and overflowing with the ideas. Ideas means having a lot of ideas. Okay, the river brims to go and join the sea. The river overflows. The river brims to join to the to join to the ocean or sea. Teeming. Teeming is also abundant. Okay. How you use
Does
brimming
brimming also mean flowing?
Overflowing. Abundant.
Overflowing or flowing?
Overflowing. Usually brimming means overflowing. So you can use brimming also, myriad also. Luxury.
From previous year, Rekha ma'am told that brimming means flowing.
Overflowing. Okay. So teeming here also comes up with the full. Okay. Team yourself with joining with new ideas, new opinions, so that we will work together. This team is different. TEAM is uniting or something like that. This teaming is full of.
TEE.
TEEMI. This is full of. So you can also, another word for abundant is full of. Yes or no? Lavish comes with the spending too much. It comes with the too much of spending. Like don't spending expenditure. Please don't spend your parents' money lavishly. Save for the future. Here lavish comes with carelessness also. Some abundant. So you have abundant, you are spending abundant, not caring for anything. Bountiful. Okay. Nature has a bountiful, bountiful mountains, bountiful rivers in its lap. Bountiful can be used for the abundant. Okay. Profusing yourself. Profusing is also comes up with the energetic also. Abundant. Okay. Abundant can also be used with the profusing. Profusing means profuse always with good energy, so that others will also get involved with your work. So you should show always the energy, yes or no? So that profuse can be used with the abundant. So how am I using these words in the sentences? Okay, abounding. Abounding is also, nature has like abounding scenario. Nature has abounding resources. Okay. Same thing.
Yes.
Luxuriant means here having more, and he all the time lives a luxuriant life. It means that he's having abundant of everything. Okay, he's having good money, he's having good families, everything he's abundant with. Okay, so he lives a luxuriant life. Liberal also comes. Liberal usually comes with the freedom, independency. Okay, yes or no? Liberal comes with the independency.
Independence.
Okay, and in that also how abundant is used. Okay, he is liberal with the thoughts. Okay, who has come here? People are coming very late. See here. Okay, rich also is abundant. Okay, I'll just put on the wait 2 minutes. My battery is running low. 2 minutes, I'm just coming. Battery petti ఒకసారి ఇది. ఆవా battery పెట్టరా. ఇది ఎలా పెట్టాలి బ్యాగ్? Just me my note down. అంటే ఈ బ్యాటరీ పెట్టమంటే ఏం పెట్టుకోవాలి?